The Raiders have named former Eagles quarterbacks coach Bill Musgrave as their new offensive coordinator. I'm Kerry Chow, joined by ESPN NFL insider Marty Hurney. It's going to be a reunion of sorts for Musgrave, reuniting with Jack Del Rio. The two worked together in Jacksonville. What do you make of this hire?
Well, as you say, a lot of times in these hirings, you can connect the dots somewhere in the past. And Bill Musgrave was the offense coordinator at the Jaguars 2003 and 2004 when Jack Del Rio was the head coach. I think it's a good hire. It's going to bring balance to this Raiders offense. And if you look at Bill Musgrave's career in the NFL, he started in Oakland in 1997 as the quarterback's coach, and his first assignment was to coach Jeff George. Well, Jeff George threw for just under 4,000 yards, had a touchdown to interception ratio of, I think it was something like 29-9, had the best year of his career. Bill Musgrave can work with quarterbacks, so Oakland having young quarterback Derek Carr, it's a great fit there. He also has had a history as an offensive coordinator of being able to run the football. His first year as offensive coordinator at the Jaguars, Fred Taylor ran for over 1,500 yards. Then he goes to Minnesota. Adrian Peterson runs for over 2,000 yards. I think he's going to bring balance to an offense that will help Derek Carr, because now if the Raiders have a running game, he doesn't have to throw the ball 50 times a game like he did last year. I think it's a good hire for the Raiders.
You mentioned Fred Taylor and Adrian Peterson, athletically incredible players. In Oakland, with Latavius Murray, looks like he's going to be the starter. Is he the answer at running back? Or
I think we're going to find out. I think that with Bill Musgrave coming, they're going to put an emphasis on the running game. And I think that's another thing that made Bill Musgrave so attractive, not just his ability to work with Derek Carr, but maybe to turn Latavius Murray into one of the better backs in this league and bring a balanced offense to the Raiders.
All right, for the latest on the Raiders, be sure to check out the NFL Nation blog. He's ESPN NFL insider Marty Hurney. I'm Kerry Chow with your latest ESPN headline.